The Old Hebrew alphabet, also called the Paleo-Hebrew, was adopted by the Greeks around the 12th century BC. While Hebrew is written from right to left, Greek was written from left to right. For this reason, the letters were reversed in the Greek alphabet. Here we see the first 5 letters of the Old Hebrew alphabet: the Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, and He. But when reversed, we see the ancient Greek alphabet: the Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta, and Epsilon. Note that the original Hebrew names of these letters were retained for the Greek alphabet. The Aleph becomes the Alpha, the Bet becomes the Beta, the Gimel becomes the Gamma, the Dalet becomes the Delta, and the only exception is the He becomes in Greek Epsilon, which means plain E. Over the centuries, these ancient Greek letters evolved into their modern Greek forms. Our English alphabet is Roman, and because the Romans adopted the Greek alphabet, we're able to see our own modern English alphabet in these ancient Hebrew turned Greek letters: the A, B, C, D, and E. As previously mentioned, the Old Hebrew alphabet was used by all Semitic peoples, including the Arameans, also called the Chaldeans, but evolved independently from the Hebrew. By the 5th century BC, the time of the Israelites' captivity in Aramea, also called Babylon, it no longer resembled the Old Hebrew it came from, and it is this Aramaic square script that Israel adopted during their captivity. With the Aramaic square alphabet in use by the Israelites, it continued to evolve into the modern Hebrew letters that we're familiar with today. By the end of the 19th century, the translation of the Semitic alphabet was well established. The only mystery was the origin of this alphabet, as mentioned in the 1922 The New Learned History for Ready Reference, Reading and Research, in its entry for the letter A. A, the initial letter of the English and almost all other alphabets. The Phoenicians called the letter Aleph, seemingly because of the resemblance of the character to the head of an ox. Although nothing is known with any degree of certainty concerning the ultimate origin of this letter. What the editors of the New Learned History did not know was that this mystery was solved just a few years earlier.